Hey, I need to talk to old people. Really, honest to God, I need to talk to every old person. You are putting us in danger. You are putting yourself in danger. There are infections in the healthcare system that are just crazy. Nosocomial infections. You go to the ICU, get infected, and people are contaminating the entire place, and it's our own fault. Any of us who are old, who have dentures on partials, here they are. This is the problem right here. I make dentures and partials. I like making dentures and partials. It's a great service for someone who's lost their teeth. You give all to the rest of your family until you completely fall apart and teeth fall out, and then you need dentures and partials. And they're really, really nice, nicely done. Thank you very much. They are really a nice restoration. But it says that they harbor germs, which is far too kind a word here. The plastic of the dentures, when it's worn in the mouth all the time, it's warm and wet, and the germs love the plastic and grow on it really bad. Every single germ you've ever come across in healthcare, usually the worst ones are in healthcare, MRSA and the really bad ones there, they are living on the damn dentures. Candida, yeast infection, horribly. You literally, if you're wearing a denture, even if you use tablets, you've got yeast on this, so much so that you've got a chronic yeast infection in your palate. Everybody does. They call it denture stomatitis, but it's a damn yeast infection. And for 40 years, while you're wearing this stupid denture, you've got a yeast infection. Your immune system is battling a yeast infection that never goes away. The sad part is, there is an easy way to sterilize dentures so we don't track the germs from our entire lives, from home to the ICU, to the nursing home, to the ICU. We go to the ICU, we catch it because somebody in front of us had nasty carrier germs, MRSA or VRE or any number of the awful ones that came around in the 80s and 90s. They're all being protected, harbored, saved like a tiny Wuhan lab. So we are infecting the world. These are awful. Even a partial denture, even it's lovely, and there are germs everywhere. It gets on your skin, it gets in your hand, it gets in your nose, it gets in your blood, it gets in the catheters and the IVs that you do when you're in the ICU. It gets on the floor because the stupid doctors allow us to bring these unclean, contaminated monsters into the hospitals with us because nobody told them how to clean the son of a bitches. It's the dentist's fault. You're right. I make them. Nobody told me that they could be sterilized 3 minutes in the microwave in water. And the stupid thing is 100% clean, and it doesn't shrink. It doesn't fall apart. That's it. You got it? This is the message that it will save your life and maybe mine the next time I go to the hospital. These things can be sterilized and need to be, like today, like right now. We take a denture, you got them, you spit them out, you call grandma and tell her to do the same thing. In my office, I've got a coffee cup I give to patients. Yes, buy a $1,000 denture, I'll give you a $5 coffee cup. It's got a picture of dentures. It's got the instructions on there to sterilize both dentures and partials. 3 minutes in the microwave. It's not that hard to figure out. They're in there. How much? Now we put water in it to cover the partial, even the denture. We don't want it arcing in the microwave. There's metal in there, but you can now sterilize it. I'm not going to go show you how to sterilize a damn denture. 3 minutes in the microwave, cool it down, get the water out. Yeah, it's not that hard. Cool it down, you take out your hot dentures, don't burn yourself, don't be an idiot. Now they are 100% clean. All the sins of the past, all the germs of the past have been removed. They're disintegrated, gone, as far as the east is from the west. They're now super clean. Now when you go to the hospital, you're not bringing all these germs in here. When you go to the hospital and you pick up germs and they get on the damn denture, and now you got MRSA on the denture, and guess how long it'll be before you get MRSA? Not too long, especially if you need dialysis or catheters or IVs or surgery, or you've got diabetic decupidi and bed sores. The germs on these things will kill you, or they'll contaminate the room and kill the next guy, and we are not going to let that happen anymore. Yes, there's a reason why nobody told us. That's a different video. I just recorded that. That's two hours going through research and finding out why dentists didn't tell us how to do this. Of course, there's a reason. Of course, it goes down to money. But this is the answer. 3 minutes in a coffee cup, in a microwave. 3 minutes will sterilize your denture. Everybody who has a denture needs to do this at least once. Why not daily? It won't hurt the denture. I promise it won't hurt the denture. If you've been super gluing it together and with all these crazy soft liners, yeah, all that might come off. But at least the damn thing will be clean. And you will not be contaminating your world, your family, my healthcare system. And we'll be done. We'll take care of it for a change. Now, it's not that hard. We're old, but we're not stupid. Tell us what to do. We can clean ourselves. Dentures are really dangerous if they're not cleaned. The cleaning, in 1985, they told us how to clean the things, 3 minutes in a microwave. I've been a dentist a long time. They didn't tell me. Now I'm telling you. I ran across it. This needs to be done. It costs nothing. Nobody's getting paid for this. That's maybe why we don't know about it, because there wasn't any magic vaccine all of a sudden ready. But this can be cleaned. 3 minutes in the microwave underwater, the germs are gone. Once a week is good enough. Will you do that, please? Do that. Please clean your denture. We should have a national denture sterilization day for a change. Something would actually happen. Awareness day of dentures. Yes, clean them. 3 minutes, please. I don't know how many times to say this. 3 minutes in a microwave cleans the dentures that has been plaguing us since the 80s and 90s in horrible germs that we carry around with us. Keep them alive until we go to the hospital and spread them all around. It's an awful thing to do. We should never have been doing it for all these years. We're not going to do it from now on, because now you know. Please, trust me. I'm Dr. Searby. I'm an elder dentist. I teach my patients how to sterilize their dentures. They're lovely. My office is called Pro Dentures. The videos will be on ProDentures and elderdentist.com. Please sterilize your dentures today, now.